What's up everybody? Look, as you can see, I just got my hairline drawn on. Everyone explained to me what's going to happen. Right now, they let me know all the procedure, what's going to happen, where the grafts are going to go. As you can tell, they lined up everything perfectly. I feel very good, a little anxious about everything that's going on, but hopefully everything goes well. But everything else is good.
Hello, how are you guys? And we're back. Time to finally get some shampooing done. It's time to clean it. Feeling a little bit itchy. It's been a whole 3 days after the process. And we're back in the lab. As you can tell, Hair of Istanbul looks like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory to me, honestly. But I can't wait to feel the relief of actually getting everything washed down. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated and we're gonna check that out right now. Let's go. Whew, finally. It's like a sigh of relief. Finally getting all that junk out of the hair, you know? And now they're gonna take me to show me the washing videos and the procedures on how to get everything out. So let's go. All right, time to finally get this washed off. It's been about 30 minutes since they applied this. Now we're gonna put the shampoo on. We're gonna scrub it down a little bit. We gotta do it gently because we can't damage the grafts. All right, so I just got my wash done. I feel so good. I feel so fresh. Just to give a little bit of overview about my whole journey here from Hair of Istanbul, it's been nothing but a blast from the start. It was just so safe, so secure. I was comfortable throughout everything. I was having a little bit of anxiety through the hair transplant, but the people there were so nice. The workers there made me feel really good. There was a psychologist on board. She made me feel very comfortable. And after the first day, I did have a little bit of a wrap. The next day I came to the other location of Hair of Istanbul, and that's when they took that off and I was feeling much more comfortable. After I got that off, I was also able to explore the beautiful city of Istanbul. Went to different sites, visited all the cool mosques like Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, Taksim, and all these other places. There was a little bit of a swelling, but not enough to let me down to explore the city. And now after my first wash, I'm feeling so amazing, and tomorrow's time to go home. And honestly, I'm feeling kind of sad that I have to go home. Turkey's such a beautiful place, and I'm so happy that I got to go through this experience, and I cannot wait for my new hair. So thank you so much to Hair of Istanbul.